Prove that cosecant square theta divided by cosecant theta minus 1 minus cosecant square theta by cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to 2 secant square theta. LHS is equal to cosecant square theta by cosecant theta minus 1 minus cosecant square theta by cosecant theta plus 1. Take common cosecant square theta, that is cosecant square theta into 1 by cosecant theta minus 1 minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta into LCM cosecant theta minus 1 into cosecant theta plus 1. Cosecant theta plus 1 minus of cosecant theta minus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta into cosecant theta plus 1 minus cosecant theta plus 1 by cosecant theta minus 1 into cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sine square theta into cosecant theta cancel. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta is equal to 1 by sine square theta into 2 into 1 by cot square theta is equal to tan square theta, that is equal to sine square theta by cos square theta is equal to 2 by cos square theta is equal to 2 secant square theta is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.